Hi, happy holidays. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Kathy from the Delafield Quilt Company. Normally on this channel, I share my quilting projects that I'm working on and how I made them. However, for this video, I'm going to do it a little different and I'm going to do a recap of the top 10 videos on our channel this year. And how I determined that they were top 10 was based on the number of views by you, the viewer. And then at the end of the video, I'm just going to share all the projects that came out on this channel last year. So if you missed any of them, feel free to go back and look at the Delafield Quilt Company YouTube page to see how I made those. All right, let's get started with number 10. Number 10 was the Easy Missouri Star Quilt, block number 8. This was a part of the Slow Summer Star series that we did this past summer, and some of you sewed along, which was really fun to see all of the different variations and fabrics that were used. Number 9, the No Waste Flying Geese and the Magic 8 at a Time half square triangle, block number 2. This was also a part of the Slow Summer Stars series. Number 8 was the Irish Chain Star block, which was block number 1 of the Slow Summer Stars series. Number 7 was the Irish Chain Fall Table Runner. One of my favorites to do because it's just a simple Irish chain, and just by mixing up the colors a little bit, I got a totally different look on that one. Number 6, a layer cake friendly quilt. Number 5, the Jelly Roll Hexagon quilt. Took a little bit of time, but I think it looked really cool with the rainbow jelly roll strips. Number 4 was Star Block number 3, which is also from the Slow Summer Stars series. Number 3 was another Irish chain, and this was the Fat Quarter Friendly Double Irish Chain Quilt. This one was one of my favorites just because I think it turned out so beautiful with all the different greens and cream colors that were in the quilt. Number 2, the Fat Quarter Friendly Mini Irish Chain. This one I also really enjoyed just because the greens were so pretty and it was pretty easy to make. And finally, number 1, the Just One Layer Cake quilt. This was the newest video that came out a few weeks ago. And this was just such an easy project to make, and it only needed 1 layer cake. So if you haven't watched any of those videos and you like some of them, I encourage you to go back on our channel and take a look. And maybe you'll get some ideas for your next project. All right, let's take a look at the rest of the projects that I did in 2023. And before I get to that though, I just want to wish you a happy holidays and a happy new year. I really enjoyed reading all of your comments, and it's been fun getting to know some of you, and I really appreciate those of you who sent me pictures of things that you made from the tutorials. That's been really fun for me to see. So I just want to thank you, and I'll see you in 2024.